In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage a menu in Wix. To get started, open your Wix editor so you can work directly on your site layout. Once you're inside the editor, look to the left side of the screen and click Add Elements. This is where Wix keeps the building blocks for your site, including menus. Next, go into the Menu and Anchor section and choose the menu style that works best for your website. Wix gives you several options, including themed menus, horizontal menus, vertical menus, and hamburger menus. The best choice depends on your site design and how you want visitors to navigate. For example, a horizontal menu is common for desktop headers, while a hamburger menu can be useful for a cleaner, more compact look. After choosing your menu style, drag and drop it onto your page. Most of the time, placing it in the header is the best option so it stays easy to find across your site. However, you can position it wherever it makes the most sense for your layout. Once the menu is on your canvas, click the menu element and select Manage Menu from the floating action bar. This is where you will control the structure of your navigation. To add new items, click Add Item. From there, you can include existing site pages, specific anchors that jump to sections on a page, submenus, or even external links. This gives you flexibility depending on what you want visitors to access. If you want to change the order of your menu, simply click and drag the items up or down in the list. The order you set here will be the order visitors see on the live site. So take a moment to organize it in a logical, user-friendly way. To create drop-downs, click Add Menu Item and choose Drop-down Title. Then drag your regular pages underneath that drop-down title and indent them slightly to the right. This creates a submenu, which is especially helpful if you have several related pages and want to keep your main navigation clean. For the appearance of your menu, click the design icon, which looks like a paintbrush, or use the inspector panel to open the customization settings. Here, you can style how your menu looks in different states, including regular, hover, and clicked or active. This is important because it helps visitors understand where they are and what they're interacting with. You can also click the layout icon to adjust spacing between items, alignment, and submenu behavior, such as whether submenus appear as flyouts or in columns. Small layout changes can make a big difference in readability and overall polish. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.